Yeah. And it's not fair because every time I talk about my love life, you already know what I'm talking about. But, yes, because I think for those of you who have not had a very pleasant experience with it, or maybe some of you have been in a relationship and it didn't turn out quite the way that you wanted it to, then there's that trauma factor. There's that fear to fall in love again, fear of getting hurt again because the same thing might happen. But for me, I think it's something na kailangan mo lang palipasin. And then, when you're okay, huwag ka lang mapupundis sa ibig. Huwag ka lang, just don't lose faith in love. Because love is something very real. And it's something that you will find pagdating ng tamang panahon. Yes. Okay, anyway, here's Janet Jackson with a song whose video, the video of which I would very much like to do right now. At ay nasa tubig siya, di ba? Oh my God. I would love to do it right now. Here's every time.